Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in WTC Mall. See you. Christmas decor in my bag. See. I'm going home. Just need to do something in the house. I need to show you the nice painting down the building. Down. I'm here in Lulu. WTC Mall. I need to go home right away because I need to do something in the house. I'm here again in the mall as usual. I'm coming here almost every day. See. I show you the nice painting. The Bilao in Tagalog. In here also they have a painting. Painting. See. They have a nice painting. And here also the bird, the falcon bird. Hello ate, belated Merry Christmas. That's WTC, World Trade Center, Abu Dhabi. I'm going bye guys. See you later, bye.